Are you tired of seeing your investments lag behind the S&P 500? What if you could outperform the market with just 2 ETFs? Stay tuned to discover how you can potentially boost your returns and leave the SPY in the dust. Welcome back, investors. Today, we're diving into 2 powerful ETFs that have been outperforming the S&P 500, a feat many only dream of achieving. With the right strategy and timing, these ETFs can be your ticket to greater portfolio gains. We'll explore the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, which capitalizes on the booming sector of semiconductors, and the Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF, which targets high-momentum stocks. Let's break down why these ETFs have been so successful and how they could fit into your investment strategy. In this video, you'll learn about the key advantages of the VanEck Semiconductor ETF and the Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF. We'll cover their impressive performance metrics, strategic advantages, and any potential risks you should be aware of. Whether you're looking for a solid addition to your portfolio or aiming to maximize returns, these ETFs offer unique opportunities that every savvy investor should consider. Are you looking to outperform the S&P 500? Many investors share this goal, aiming to surpass the benchmark that has historically dominated financial gains. While traditional advice often suggests investing in a low-cost S&P 500 ETF like SPY, recent trends indicate that targeting specific outperforming sectors can provide significant returns. In the current environment, a few key ETFs stand out due to their impressive performance metrics and strong fundamentals that suggest sustained growth in the near future. By incorporating these momentum-driven ETFs alongside a classic S&P 500 ETF, investors can potentially achieve greater overall gains. Let's dive into the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, NASDAQ SMH, an ETF attracting considerable attention. As semiconductors become integral to modern technology across industries, semiconductor stocks have outpaced even the most optimistic projections. SMH aims to replicate the performance of the MVIS US-listed Semiconductor 25 Index, offering broad exposure to companies involved in the semiconductor supply chain. With net assets exceeding $29 billion, SMH stands as the largest ETF in its niche. Over the past 5 years, SMH has delivered phenomenal returns of 263.6%, significantly overshadowing the S&P 500's 99.8% increase. Key holdings, like NVIDIA, constitute a substantial portion of SMH's portfolio, potentially affecting volatility. Yet its low expense ratio of 0.35% makes SMH an attractive option for investors seeking robust technology sector exposure. Next up is the Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF, NYSE SPMO, which is tailored for the current economic climate. This ETF zeroes in on the top-performing S&P 500 stocks known for their recent price momentum. SPMO has not only kept pace with, but often surpassed the SPY, showing exceptional performance even during market downturns. Investing primarily in the S&P 500 Momentum Index, SPMO uses a momentum score system to select high-performing stocks while minimizing volatility. Historically, SPMO has generated 153% returns over 5 years, with a notable 26.8% increase year-to-date. Despite potential risks like vulnerability to market reversals, this ETF's strategy of diversification across about 100 stocks keeps it in line with benchmarks. With a minimal expense ratio of 0.13%, SPMO presents a compelling option for investors who prioritize momentum-driven growth. To recap, we've explored 2 exceptional ETFs that have been beating the S&P 500's returns. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF gives you access to the thriving semiconductor industry, while the Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF focuses on high-performing momentum stocks. Both ETFs have shown remarkable performance over the years, offering a great opportunity to enhance your investment portfolio. Keep these in mind as you strategize your next moves in the market. Now that you've learned about these 2 must-buy ETFs, are you ready to take your investment game to the next level? Let us know in the comments which ETF you'd consider adding to your portfolio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on how to outsmart the market and grow your wealth.